Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to create your LinkedIn account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for linkedin.com. As you can see here on my search bar. And now, you want to click here at the Join Now button and type your email or phone number and your password. Also, you can create your account by using your Google account. Okay, so I'm just gonna type my email. I think I already have an account, but just gonna try and create one. So here, put your first name and your last name. Click continue. So this is just a security check. So click verify. What's this? Pick the image that is correct way up. So now you can just go ahead and put your country slash region and city slash district. Like that. Click on next. I'm just gonna click I'm a student. So just gonna put something, some random school, okay. Click continue. Here we just need to check our email. So here just go ahead and remember this 6 digits 506 to 10. So if you're looking for a job, so you should choose any of this. Click on next. What kind of job are you looking for? So I'm just gonna put virtual assistant or any job titles that you want. So if you're open to remote work, you can just check this box right here and click on next. Click on next. Just gonna keep on clicking next. So I'm just gonna skip this part. So here you can just go ahead and follow companies, people, and hashtag to stay updated on the things you care about. Okay, so here as you can see, we recommend following 5 sources to find content you care about. So I'm just gonna save this course, this, and this. Click on next. So as you can see, I already have my account, right? So that's it. That is how you create your LinkedIn account using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.